Joran Sloot says he first met Nellie Holloway and her friends at the Holiday Inn Excelsior Casino. Their paths crossed again later that night. And here's more of our unedited interview with Joran. About what time did you walk out of the Holiday Inn Casino for the evening?
I don't remember exactly what time it was.
Can you give me an estimate?
It's probably 10, I think. 9, 10.
And they were already gone at that point, remember?
Yeah, they were sitting in a bar behind the casino.
And where did you go when you left the casino?
And I called another friend of mine and asked him if he wanted to go out. And he said he had to work the next day, so he couldn't go out. And at that point, I called my dad and asked him if he could pick me up. And he said he'd pick me up at the McDonald's. So I walked over to the McDonald's where he picked me up and took me home.
So it's a cell phone call to your house?
Yeah, cell phone call to my house.
Any reason why at McDonald's? Did you get something to eat?
Yeah, because I wanted to get something to eat, so I hadn't eaten anything. So I got something to eat at the McDonald's.
How far is the walk from Holiday Inn to McDonald's about?
5 minutes, probably.
So we got to McDonald's. Was your father already there, or did you wait for him?
No, he wasn't there yet. I got something to eat, and while I was eating it, he arrived.
Any idea what time he arrived?
No, probably 10 minutes after I called him, 20 minutes after I called him.
At the point where you called him, were you intending to go to college in Charlie's at that point, and you made up your mind?
Yeah, I'd made up my mind that I was going to go there. And I'd also made up my mind that I wasn't going to tell him that I was going to go there, because I know he would have said no. He would have said that I couldn't go. So I made up my own mind that I was going to go out without him knowing.
How were you going to do that? Did you, at that point, did you call anybody else besides the one friend who turned you down?
Then walking, while I kept walking, I called Deepak and I asked him if he wanted to go out, and he said sure, sure I'd like to go out. I don't have to work the next day till 3 in the afternoon, so of course.
How old is Deepak, and much older is he than you are?
Deepak's 21.
How do you know him?
I met him a long time ago through a friend of mine, and since then we've been friends, never best friends or anything like that, but you know we hung out together, and sometimes we went out together and stuff like that.
What's a long time ago to you? In terms of your age, you're only 17 at this point, so what's a long time ago?
From that point, that day, I think 3 months earlier, 2 months earlier, I met him.
So he's a friend of 3 months?
Yeah, 3 or 4 months, yeah.
Did you know Satish at that point?
No, I met Deepak first, and then I met Satish.
But you knew Satish before that night?
Before that night, I met him before, yeah.
So where had you ever gone with Deepak? I mean, what kind of stuff did you guys do? How well do you know him?
You know, we hung out together sometimes. We'd go out to college and Charlie's together sometimes, but I don't know him that well.
Did he go to school there?
No, he didn't go to school.
So he wasn't a classmate?
No, he wasn't a classmate.
And neither was Satish? No. Do you know where they went to school?
Yeah, they went to a local school, and I went to the international school here.
Did Deepak had a job this was a year ago? Where was he working?
He was working at an internet cafe.
Had you ever called him sort of late at night, or 10 o'clock at night, 11 o'clock at night before, and said, let's go out?
Yeah, I've done that before, you know, because I don't have a car, didn't have a driver's license, and I'm not allowed to drive. So if I want to go out, I'm dependent on friends that, you know, that have a car, so I'd give him a call sometimes, or another friend of mine, you know, like, let's go out.